All right, everybody, I'm just going to show you how to get into the RVW Robot Virtual Worlds app. The app looks like this one down here. So I'm going to tap on that app, and that should bring me into Robot Virtual Worlds. There are 3 ways to log in. There's CS2N, which is basically a network that's developed for, you can check the question mark here, network developed for computer science activities, and you have your own page and stuff. You can register for an account there, but you don't need to. You can log in locally, which is basically logging into your iPad. If you choose to log in locally, then you'll be able to save your progress. If you choose log in as guest, you will not be able to save any progress, so all of your coding will be lost once you exit the app. So I recommend you create a local account and then log in locally. Once you're in, there's basically a couple different challenge levels, and there's Ruins of Atlantis and Vex IQ Challenge Pack. The ones you're doing are from the Vex IQ Challenge Pack. You're doing Basic Movement 2 and Container Handling 1 are the 2 that you're working on. Just to give you an idea of what you'll get once you log in locally. Stop. Sorry about that. We had an alarm go off. If I'm going to go to Maze Challenge, and I'll show you what happens there. So if I go to Maze Challenge, I hit play, I logged in locally. Here's my program that I did for Maze Challenge. All right. So I have my program set up. There's lots of different, it's basically just drag and drop. So I can drag, for instance, this forward and have it go based on the number of rotations. I can choose degrees, I can choose milliseconds or seconds or minutes, all sorts of different ways to have it go forward. And then this would be the speed at which it's going forward. And yeah, we'll just leave it at that. Well, not speed, that's for this, it's time. The speed is actually right here. And that's percentage of power. So right now I have it going at 50% power. Once I put all of my coding in, I can run the program. So I'm gonna hide the programming area. I'm gonna hit play, okay? And while it's going, I can choose the camera angle. So if I go to the second camera angle, I can actually orbit my view. If I choose the third camera angle, I can see from above. And then of course the first camera view is kind of almost isometric in a way, and you are not able to change your view. You can also turn on the sensors. So right now my sonar sensor is, it's in the claw, it's pointing out that direction. So obviously it's not doing anything for this program. I can zoom in or out if I'm in a certain view. I can find how much distance is between certain points as it's traveling and what the angle is. So if you ever need to figure some stuff out, you can do that. Lots of different things you can do there. All right. And hopefully it stops. There it is. Okay. You can always kind of minimize your panel as well and still see the code running. So again, if I were to reset this and play it, I can show the programming area, and it actually shows me which part it's doing as it's doing it. So that's something maybe to help you with your programming as well. All right, so that's that. And again, once you're done, you're gonna just take screen recordings. If you don't remember how to do screen recording, basically all you need to do is you pull down your menu, and it's this, you can see the record button is blinking right now. So if you push on that, you'll start to record. The thing you wanna remember when you're recording is that it may not have the microphone set to start right away, and so you need to make sure to tap and hold that button so that you can tell whether the microphone is on or off. I think that's about it.